Hi guys, this is gsm.com and I'm here with the LG G7 ThinQ. It's the LG flagship for the year 2018. So we are dealing here with a handset that adopts the typical approach. Glass back here, dual camera, fingerprint scanner. What's new? A lot of AI. Yes, I know the LG V30s had a lot of AI, but this one ups it. And you can also see it has something new. It's a notch at the top side of the screen, and you can actually go ahead and hide that notch. Now, as far as I know, this handset should be priced at around $850, maybe $900. And I was talking about the notch before. LG actually calls it a second screen. So this is how you hide it, and that's the standard version. And those are the options available here. Okay, so the handset has a 6.1-inch screen to resolution of 3120 over 1440 pixels, and at the back side we have two 16-megapixel shooters with LED flash and special laser thingy here. Now, of course, it's made of glass and metal, but it feels much lighter, slimmer, and also very, very narrow. That's my first impression. In spite of being so filled with glass, it's not slippery, it has a pretty good grip. In some ways it reminds me of the Galaxy Note 8 because of the fact it's so narrow in the hand. You can see me using it properly even with a 6.1-inch screen. It also comes with 6GB of RAM, Snapdragon 845 CPU, but also there is a 4GB RAM version out there as far as I heard. This is just a test unit, so some features may not be unlocked. A 3000 mAh battery is also here, feeling a bit modest if you ask me. And the LG G7 ThinQ has an IPS LCD screen, 6.1 inches, Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and coverage. That's DCI P3, so it covers the colors properly. You can see here one of the features. It's called Super Bright Display. You also have Hi-Fi Quad DAC and a boombox speaker. As far as I know, we have a singular speaker at the bottom here next to the USB Type-C. Other things we're mentioning, well, we have Dolby Vision HDR10, Android 8.0 Oreo with the promise of Android P as soon as it's normally available for the handset. Micro SD card slot, 128 or 64 gigabytes of storage, dual 16-megapixel camera, f1.6 and f1.9 aperture, LED flash, optical image stabilization, and an 8-megapixel shooter right here for the selfies. There's Bluetooth 5.0, there's GPS, NFC, USB Type-C, fingerprint scanner, and I'm pretty sure there's face unlock. Now let's have a look at the camera. So I'm going to use this here as a sort of sample. Okay, you can alternate between cameras like that, wide angle, normal, and something called AI cam. This is actually one of the coolest features. AI cam is able to tell what's going on. It can tell us there's a couple of people, there's a party, there's a beverage, there's text. It said infinity pool, fashionable portrait, close-up, document, bot, flip-flop. It's trying to guess what's happening. That's the AI cam. Now, portrait is also available, of course, with the bokeh feature, and it's also applied to the front camera. Okay, so if you press here, it tries to detect what's happening, and if you press here, you can decrease or increase the level of blur behind me. Okay, and then there are the capture modes. We got your auto, we got manual for video as well, Cine Video, which is new, food and slow motion plus panorama and flash jump cut. Cine Video is a new feature, not very familiar with it. I see there's a special zoom point which lets you zoom into the image properly while filming, and also something new here, special sort of filters like scenery, documentary, romantic comedy, summer blockbuster, and a few more. Still exploring the camera, not very sure what some of the features do. I'll be sure to inform you once the full version comes. This is only a test unit, I'll say it again. Lithium polymer 3000 mAh battery, $850 to $900. Platinum gray, Aurora black, Moroccan blue, raspberry rose. These are the color versions of the phone. A bunch of pre-installed apps, also file manager, smart doctor, and so forth. And of course, LG Smart Vault, the pre-installed store. This has been a quick rundown of the features of the LG G7 ThinQ here at gsm.com. At first sight, very comfy. I would say too light. There are some people who don't like the fact that the phone is too light, like this one. First impression about the LG G7 ThinQ. We'll be back with a full review very soon. Bye bye.